Hello, I'm Evan with Wooninjas and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll show you how to create and sell course bundles using WooCommerce and LearnDash. Bundled courses are a great way to help students save money while giving them access to more valuable content. So before creating bundles, make sure the LearnDash WooCommerce integration is installed and active. Next, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and open products. Add new. Give your new bundle a title and write a short description that explains what's included. For example, you could write exclusive bundle in the title, and for the description you could write this bundle contains all programming courses. Scroll down to the product data section. From the drop-down, choose course as the product type. Then set a price for your bundle. Let's set $150 for the regular price, and if you want to offer a discount, simply enter the price you want to add in the sale price, $120. You also have the option to schedule your discounts and control precisely how long they stay active. Next, look for the LearnDash Courses field. Here, select all the LearnDash courses you want to include in this bundle. Then, scroll back up and click on Update. These courses will automatically be linked to this new WooCommerce product. Before launching your bundles, make sure each LearnDash course is set to Close to prevent students from accessing them directly without purchase. To do this, select one of the courses and then click on Edit. Once you get on the course page, go to Settings. Make sure that it's set to Closed and then add the product URL as the button URL from the course settings. And then click on Save. Let's take it a step further. What if you want to bundle a course with another type of product like an ebook, workbook, or even physical materials? For example, a yoga teacher could offer a yoga course plus yoga mat combo, or a guitar instructor might sell a beginner's guitar course plus songbook bundle. These mixed bundles are a great way to make your offers stand out and increase average order value. To create this type of bundle, one simple method is using grouped products in WooCommerce. Here's how you can set it up. Create WooCommerce products for each course and item you want to include. Go to Products, Add New, and add a new bundle title and description. Let's add Mega Bundle as the title, and for the description we could say, this bundle contains grouped products. In the Product Data dropdown, select Grouped Product. Under the Linked Products tab, add all the products you want to group. Once published, users will see each product listed under one bundle. They can choose what to add to their cart or grab them all at once. This is perfect for pairing courses with useful extras like books, templates, or tools. If you want to make bundle deals even easier for your buyers, you can use the Chain Products add-on for WooCommerce. This tool automatically includes extra products when someone purchases a main product. To set it up, make sure the Chain Products add-on is activated. Then, go to the side product panel and add new product. Open the WooCommerce product you want to use as your main product, and then scroll down in the product data and make sure that simple product is selected. Then, in the linked products tab, you'll see a new chained products section. Select the additional products you want to include and set their quantities. Then, scroll back up and click on Update. When a customer buys the main course, the chain products are automatically added to their account at no extra cost or as part of a single combined price. Unlike grouped products with chain products, your buyers can't pick and choose. The entire bundle is sold as one complete product. This makes it ideal for gift bundles or packages where every item is meant to be included together. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.